There are a lot of realtors out there that are willing to discount their commission just to get your business. Hear me out. If somebody's willing to discount their commission just to get the business, what does that mean to you? Does that mean that they're actually successful at negotiating or no? And my thing is, if they're going to be willing to discount it that early on, what do you think is going to happen when they are trying to negotiate inspections or anything else during the contract with the other side? So just be careful. Just because somebody offered a 1 or 2% less than the commission that you've gotten from other agents doesn't mean that this is what you're actually going to end up netting at the end after you close. So be very careful with that. And I would also ask them, how much out of their own money are they going to be spending on marketing your property, right? Because there's a lot of money that's involved in taking on a listing, such as marketing it. How many people are they going to be able to expose your listing to when they take that listing? If they don't have and they're discounting it that early on, what do you think are they going to really do? Are they going to really pay a lot of money to market your property and pay for top of the line service to get your listing sold? My guess is no. So before you do that, make sure that you really consider this and make sure that you're not going with the cheapest option out there.